Welcome to our thorough analysis of SocialBee, a comprehensive social media management tool. SocialBee offers you the ability to schedule posts, curate content, and analyze your social media performance. It's designed to help businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers save time and boost their online presence. SocialBee's key features include content categorization, post recycling, and performance analytics. You can categorize your content for easier management, recycle your best posts to keep your social media active, and analyze your performance to make informed decisions. SocialBee also supports multiple social media platforms, which is a plus. SocialBee offers three main pricing plans: Bootstrap, Accelerate, and Pro. The Bootstrap plan is $19 per month, Accelerate is $39 per month, and Pro is $79 per month. Each plan offers different features and limits, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. They also offer a 14-day free trial to test the service. SocialBee is ideal for businesses that need to manage multiple social media accounts and want to automate their posting. It's also great for entrepreneurs and freelancers who need to save time on social media management. If you are looking to increase your social media engagement without spending hours each day, SocialBee could be a good fit for you. SocialBee has several advantages. It's user-friendly, even for beginners. The ability to categorize and recycle posts makes content management easier. The analytics feature helps you understand your performance and make informed decisions. Plus, it supports multiple social media platforms, which is very beneficial. Despite its many benefits, SocialBee has some limitations. It doesn't support video posting on some platforms. The analytics feature could be more detailed. It doesn't offer a built-in graphic design tool, so you'll need to create your visuals elsewhere. Lastly, the cost might be a bit high for small businesses or individuals. In conclusion, SocialBee is a comprehensive tool for managing and automating social media. It's user-friendly and has a range of features that can help you save time and boost your online presence. However, it does have a few limitations, and the cost might be high for some users. Key takeaways: SocialBee offers content categorization, post recycling, and performance analytics. It supports multiple social media platforms. There are three pricing plans, and a 14-day free trial is available. It's ideal for businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. It's user-friendly but has a few limitations, and cost might be high for some. Thank you for watching our analysis of SocialBee. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Remember, the right tool for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses of digital tools and platforms. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you in our next video.